okay, my baby? Oh, my poor baby. You okay? Good morning, everyone. We're just doing a vlog this morning. Navealani, she had a dental appointment yesterday. They extracted one tooth, a small tooth. Oh, my poor bear. Oh, she's not feeling good. Look. Hi, bear. Okay. Look at my poor bear. Yeah? You okay, baby? Let's see your teeth. Let me see the other side. Come on, Papa. So doctor does really good job. So this is like the second time she had a dental cleaning. She did one last year and this year. So I think I might hold off for another year because she just, I mean, I think that might be a lot of anesthesia for her little tiny body for every year. Yeah. When I came home, she was crying, making that. She was grumbling like, "Mommy, why did you let me go over there?" Yeah, poor baby. But Keanu helped out so much. He dropped her off, and then he picked her up because I had to work. Yeah. So she was probably mad at him because he had to drop her off. Right? You okay? You know some. What's going on? You have to sit up, sister. Sit up, sit up. Sit up. What's going on? What is that? Are you a horse? I know when I had surgery and they put the tube down my throat, I know my throat would get like swollen the night before. I mean, the night after or the day of surgery. Like when I came home and tried to sleep, it would be hard for me to sleep because of the tube, yeah. But look, what? I don't know what she's doing now. What's going on, sister? So I had, let's see. So without the care club from VCA, I'm pretty sure you all have VCA all over because it's a big corporation. You okay, Kim? You okay? So I'm just gonna prepare some chicken with rice for her because she needs to eat soft food. And then you okay? What's going on? You alright? What is that about? You okay, baby? You have to sit up, that's why. She's making like a horse. Okay. So, her, if I didn't have the wellness plan, it would have cost me $1,000.41.84. The anesthesia is $123. The dental cleaning it's $346. It's 96. Oh. Yes, I pressed that button like 100 times. You know, for a hotline, you're not so hot. Okay, I don't understand all this stuff, but. Are you watching But it would have cost me a lot if I didn't have the care club. You okay? You okay? You need to take your, and then they sent her home with some medicine, some antibiotics, and some pain medicine. Oh, she's just a baby.
Where are you going? I just got back.
Yeah, you okay, Pooh Bear? Okay. Ay, what are you doing? And then last night I missed my bus, so my dad had to pick me up. It was dark already when I came home. Oh my god.
What's the other thing? What do I paint?
So she just has to eat food for 7 days, soft food.
He broke up with Julie. Well, go hug her for God's sakes.
Oh. But because I, didn't take care of, I took care of her mom and stuff, but I didn't have the money to take her to the vet back then. I decided to, make sure I take care of Nevaeh now, because Nevaeh's mom died and Nevaeh's sister died of parvo. Parvo is found in the ground. So where I used to live, there were a lot of parvo there. We were living by the sugar mill. And in the dirt there was a lot of parvo. And Nevaeh, she survived it though. What are you doing? You want to sit down? She's scaring me, look. She's just lying down there. You okay, Pooh Bear? Is your throat hurting? Okay guys, so I'm gonna just make her some chicken breasts. I got this at Costco's. And this is what I use to give her pills. Costco's awesome. Okay, so that's gonna be cooking. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go and get my hair colored. We're gonna see how, because I'm tired of dyeing my hair, so we're gonna see. So we got a couple more times to do it because I had black dye on there.
Yeah. So you see how lighter it got here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you come back, we'll start the front.
Okay.
But at least this matches back here.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I hardly ever see my back, the back of my head. Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm filming you. Nice.
Good morning guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now. I still have one more time to go back. We're going for grayish color. Yeah, so I gotta wait a little bit because it's a little bit dryish, but yeah. But anyways, to follow up on Nevaeh, she's doing much better. Let's take a look. There she is. She's been very hungry. She's been eating well. She hasn't pooped yet, but she did pee. You okay? She's just sleepy now, but I think she's getting better. She's not doing that coughing thing with her throat anymore. But yeah, guys, she's doing better. So that's kind of what to expect when you take your dog in for dental cleaning and they put them to sleep. That throat thing, when she kept like coughing and stuff, that's one thing. And just being, she's a needy doggy. She's always needy. But anyways, I just thought I needed a change because every time when my black hair and when my white hair comes out, it's like bam, you can see it from miles and miles away, you know. So right now it's kind of blending, so I'm just gonna go grayish already. Yeah, so stay tuned for that color, maybe 2 or 3 weeks from now. Okay guys, so this will be the end of our vlog. You guys take care and God bless. And if you have any questions on her wellness plan, then just down below. Don't forget the giveaway, okay? Refer back to I'll put at the end screen my video with the Makeup Revolution Simpsons. Refer back to that.